Hello all, so this video is especially for my coaching students, but definitely this will be public on YouTube also, so even you guys may watch this for your help. I hope this video will add some value in your preparation plan. So it is about the revision. So for my coaching students, now you guys do one thing. Today is 19th. So as I said in group discussion in WhatsApp groups, you follow that. Now listen me live like this. Whatever formulas you have taken down in your notes during the lectures or during the test series or during the assignments, many of you still not having separate formula book. Okay, so from now onwards, means from 28th, 19th gets over today, so from tomorrow you don't have to study anything new. So first of all, you find out how many hours you have every day. On 20th, how many hours you have, 21st, how many hours you have, 22nd, how many hours you have, like this, 29th, 1st Feb, 3rd Feb, like till your GATE exam, how many hours you have every day for GATE preparation. Some of you may have 3 hours, some of you may have 10 hours, some of you may have only 1 hour, because some students are under college exams, right? Whatever hours you have, in that 80% time you should give only for revision. Now understand, some students are actually revising from long back. They are preparing also and revising also, preparing also and revising also. So for those students, revision is almost done. So they don't have to follow this pattern, what I'm saying here. But students, so they can follow their own method, their own pattern, right? Because already they have good revision. Like some of my old students, they have finished almost everything. Test series and all assignments, everything got over. But students who have not prepared, students who are still preparing, so for them I'm saying stop preparation now. Stop preparation now, and from tomorrow you have to write down all the formulas on rough sheet. So when you will be writing formulas on rough sheet, two types of students are there. One, students are already having formula books separately. They are making formulas, like I said in the beginning of the admission, that you should have a separate formula book, a separate master book. So in this time you have to write down all the formulas. Okay, very important. Don't take this like lightly. Okay, formula, what to write, formula, why to write formula. No, you don't know. I have experienced, other students have also experienced. Writing formula is very important, because you see, when you read something you don't write, but when you write something you are actually reading also. So when you are writing any formula, then formula gets into you more properly, and without mistake you can recall in exam hall. But if you'll keep on reading like one page, suppose I'm reading this, one page, but I'm not writing, then in exam hall you will not be able to recall all the formulas. For example, you write down subject name, aircraft propulsion. In that you write down CFC, centrifugal flow compressor. All the formulas you write down. Work done, compressor ratio, whatever formulas you are getting from velocity triangle, like all the formulas you write down. Okay, for example, gas dynamics, normal shock wave, all the formulas you write down. So write down subject, gas dynamics, topic, normal shock wave. What are the formulas you know from my class? What are the formulas you have got from test series, from assignments, you may have in your master notebook? You go to master notebook, crop that formula into this rough sheet. Okay, so if you have not prepared formula book, then you follow this and you make formula book. And every day when you are starting the study, don't start with any new subject. But one more thing, you can do that also if you are very sure that you have, for example, I am waking up and I know that I have 5 hours for GATE preparation. Just an example. In that 5 hours, 80% time I will give for the revision purpose, because you will not know that how many hours is sufficient for you to revise the syllabus completely. If right now I will ask, how many hours you will take to revise the syllabus completely, can you answer? No. Someone may say, sir, in 6 hours I will revise complete syllabus. Believe me guys, in 3 hours you can revise entire syllabus if you have done very good revision plan earlier. If not, then you should achieve that goal before exam hall. When you are going to exam hall, you should have that potential that in 3 hours I'm able to revise everything. Why? Because in 3 hours you have GATE exam, right? So practice this. And you will be when you will be writing formula, then you will think that yes man, even this practice is having so much potential. You are not able to recall root, square root, blah blah things, plus minus sign here and there, gamma is there, not something 2 is there, gamma is there, cos is there, sin is there. So you do this. Focus properly on every single formula. Do not underestimate any single formula. Even sound speed is equal to under root gamma RT, you should not underestimate. Write down all the small and larger formula properly. Make the notes and repeat same thing every day. And only 20% time you assign for any new topic. And suppose you are learning any new topic. Suppose any student have not done moving shockwave. Okay, then in that remaining 20% time you do moving shockwave. Suppose you did 50% today, then you do 50% tomorrow. Okay, and then same topic you add in your revision plan for the next day. Then of course you will not be able, but see, after 4 or 5 days of revision, the way I am saying, after 4 or 5 days of revision, the way I am saying, the 6th day, 7th day, it will be like, okay man, now I'm able to revise everything. You will be very, very comfortable. So I hope I explained everything. Now my name is Vikas Kumar Srivastav. Okay, one more thing. I am running this dedicated coaching center concept library for GATE Aerospace. You follow me on YouTube, watch all the videos and share my channel or some good videos to your juniors, seniors, or whoever is willing to prepare for GATE Aerospace 2025, 2026 or onwards. I have qualified GATE Aerospace exam 6 times. I am an IITian and I am guiding all the students very properly. My coaching has a complete access for GATE Aerospace preparation, properly designed subjects, and I am there for you to clear all your doubts. Okay, so contact me on WhatsApp 6380135260. Don't call me directly. Say that, sir, I want to join coaching, this, that, and I will share the details. We can discuss on phone call also, but after WhatsApp chat. Thank you all and best wishes.